Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how factories automate their processes? Or how construction equipment generates so much power? Well, a lot of it comes down to the fascinating world of pneumatics, hydraulics, and vacuum technology. And that's where AGS-TECH Inc. comes in. You can find us online at www.agstech.net, by the way. At AGS-TECH, we're all about providing top-notch components and systems for various industries. We're talking manufacturing, automation, robotics, you name it. Our products help machines move, lift, and operate with precision and power. Whether you need a tiny valve or a massive hydraulic system, we've got you covered. We're like the behind-the-scenes heroes, making sure things run smoothly. Stick around, and I'll explain more about why AGS-TECH is the go-to place for all things pneumatics, hydraulics, and vacuum. Okay, so let's break down these technologies. First up, we have pneumatics. Pneumatics uses compressed air to create movement. Think of it like blowing up a balloon. The air pressure inside makes it expand. Next, there's hydraulics, which uses pressurized liquids like oil. Hydraulics is the muscle behind heavy machinery, providing incredible force to lift and move massive objects. Finally, we have vacuum technology, which utilizes negative pressure. Imagine sucking through a straw. You're creating a vacuum. This technology is great for gripping and moving objects in a delicate way. Now, let's talk about what AGS-TECH offers. We have a wide range of products, all made with the highest quality. Our compressors are the heart of pneumatic systems, providing that essential compressed air. We offer various types, from small units for light applications to large industrial compressors. Then there are our pumps, the workhorses of hydraulic systems. They generate the pressure needed to power those mighty machines. And of course, we can't forget control valves. They regulate the flow of air or fluid, ensuring everything operates smoothly and safely. Section 4. The AGS-TECH difference, quality and customization. One thing that sets AGS-TECH apart is our commitment to quality. We manufacture our products to the highest industry standards, ensuring reliability and long-lasting performance. We know that downtime can be costly, so we build our products to last. But that's not all. We also understand that every application is unique. That's why we offer customization options to meet your specific needs. Whether you need a particular size, material, or configuration, our team of experts will work closely with you to find the perfect solution. Section 5. AGS-TECH, your reliable partner in fluid power solutions. So there you have it, folks. From understanding the basics of pneumatics, hydraulics, and vacuum to exploring AGS-TECH's extensive product line, I hope you've enjoyed this little journey into the world of fluid power. Remember, whether you're automating a factory, building a skyscraper, or designing a robotic arm, AGS-TECH is your reliable partner for all your fluid power needs. We're all about innovation, quality, and providing solutions that make a difference. Visit us at www.agstech.net. Thanks for listening.